Hi Nick, just making a quick video on the motor I've been working on. Well, you can see everything is new. This is new, this is new, this is new. This center is new. Okay, here on top everything, all this is new. Now let's have a look at another side over here. I couldn't save this wheel, so I had to make a new one. When you look inside here, you can see the shaft here is new. Okay, now let's see what happens when I wind it. Here we go. There it goes. So it works. You can see here all those holes in those shaft. Doesn't need to be there, but well, I hope it works out with. Now what I need to do is fix these things. See over here. I need to fix all these things. Put everything back on the shaft over here. This one. Oh, it still works. Stop. Well, here it goes.